to our channel and click the bell icon below to get notifications.
2.0 Cloud Computing Chapter Alibaba Cloud Introduction, Implementation Technologies, and How. Srikanth Kappagantula explains the introduction of Alibaba Cloud, implementation technologies, and how Alibaba addresses needs of global audience through global infrastructure. The key topics for the video include 1. Alibaba Cloud Introduction. 2. Supported implementation technologies. 3. How Alibaba Cloud supports global audience, global infrastructure. 4. What is region in terms of Alibaba Cloud? 5. What is availability zone in terms of Alibaba Cloud? 6. What is network nodes, edge nodes, in terms of Alibaba Cloud? 7. Assignment. Alibaba Cloud, founded in 2009, is a global leader in cloud computing and artificial intelligence, providing services to thousands of enterprises, developers, and governments organizations in more than 200 countries and regions. Commitment to the success of its customers, Alibaba Cloud provides reliable and secure cloud computing and data processing capabilities as a part of its online solutions. Alibaba Cloud stands number 1 in Asia and China while third in the world. 1. Alibaba Cloud operates 67 availability zones in 22 regions around the world with more global regions set to follow. 2. Alibaba Cloud, the digital transformation expert, use the same solutions that empower the Alibaba ecosystem to reach a new level of creativity, inclusivity, and success. Some of the solutions include AI service dispatch, conversational chatbots, omni-channel digital platform, cross-border networks, hybrid clouds, and many more. 3. Alibaba Cloud provides an extensive suite of cloud products and services that powered this ultra-scale shopping event and also protected the billions of online businesses and shoppers who took part in this huge shopping extravaganza. And will expand on how business can leverage Alibaba Cloud's products and services to stand out, compete, and succeed not only on big days like November 11th, but also on any other day throughout the year. 4. Accelerate success in China with Alibaba Cloud. And finally 5. Alibaba Cloud is committed to providing reliable, secure, and compliant cloud computing products and services. Some of the key categories of technologies that are supported by Alibaba Cloud include 1. Cloud Essentials, which includes network, storage, compute, security, compliance and whatnot. 2. Databases. 3. End-to-end security. 4. Analytics at PAR. 5. Artificial intelligence. 6. Enterprise applications. 7. IoT. 8. Developer services includes DevOps. The various flavors of technologies includes not limited to 1. Cloud Essentials, which include elastic compute, network, storage, content delivery, cloud communication and media services. 2. Databases like RDBMS, dedicated clusters, data warehouses, data lakes, NoSQL databases, other data tools and utilities to support migrations. 3. Security comes in multiple formats which include cloud security, identity management, data security, business security, and security services. 4. Analytics, which include compute, storage, search, analytics, development, visualization, etc. 5. AI supporting image search, translation to machine language, ML platform for AI and intelligent speech interaction. 6. IoT. 7. Developer services through APIs and SDKs and enable developer services. 8. Enterprise applications such as domains and websites, intelligent services, microservices, containers, etc. We need to have a clear understanding of Alibaba Cloud global infrastructure. Basically, Alibaba Cloud operates 67 availability zones in 22 regions around the world. Many more to come. The three important concepts to understand global include 1. Regions. 2. Zones or availability zones. 3. Network nodes. Besides, regions are built as regions in mainland China versus regions outside mainland China. Basically, a region is a geographic area where a data center resides. Each region has more than one available zones connected through low-latency links. The region of an Alibaba Cloud resource cannot be changed after the resource is created. For example, when you create a ECS service in a specific region for say India, you cannot move into another region Singapore. Besides, as discussed, regions are broadly segregated into two geographies. 1. International, outside mainland China. 2. Mainland China. Please remember, selection of region is and should be based on geographical location of you and your target users. Besides, the pricing of resources, compute, storage, may be different in different regions. A region may have one or more zones or availability zones. A zone is a physical area with independent power grids and networks in a region. A zone is composed of one or multiple scattered data centers, each of which has independent supporting facilities including redundant power supplies, networks, and connections. A zone helps to improve the efficiency of production apps and databases and has higher availability, error tolerance capabilities, and extendability than a single data center. Please understand these basics before you proceed to advanced sections. 1. The network latency for access between instances within the same zone is shorter. 2. The region of an Alibaba Cloud resource cannot be changed after the resource is created. 3. For HA and DR capabilities, choose multi-zone deployment to create your instances in different zones of the same region. 4. For low latency, choose single zone deployment to create your RDS instances in the same zone. 5. One availability zone can only be part of single region. Edge nodes play a major role to enable performance for business applications. Alibaba Cloud Content Delivery Network, Alibaba Cloud CDN, is a distributed network built on top of a carrier network that solves internet congestion and speeds up access to your web applications. CDN is composed of edge node server clusters in different regions, and CDN replaces the traditional data transmission mode centered on web servers and distributes user requests to the most suitable node, allowing the fastest possible retrieval of requested content. CDN plays a major role in performance when your application has multiple instances across different regions and audience to your applications are spread across the world, at least those regions. There are around 500 plus international nodes while 2,300 mainland China nodes to address internet congestion and speeds up access to your web applications. Let us understand global infrastructure with an example. S5 Enterprise, a retail entity, operates in Singapore. They run a traditional 3-tier application to migrate to public cloud. S5 Retail, being a local entity, supports their local customers. They identified Alibaba Cloud to host their business application. As per GDPR guidelines, they want to host their business application in Singapore and evaluating if Alibaba Cloud has data centers in Singapore. As discussed previously, first S5 Enterprise need to identify a region. A region is a geographic area where a data center resides. Also, Alibaba Cloud has two types of regions: mainland China and outside mainland China. They focused on outside mainland China. Since S5 Enterprise wants to find a data center in Singapore which is outside mainland China, they found the regions listed above. Note, this is a partial list of data centers. Yahoo! They found Singapore region where they can host their infrastructure. You can also notice, They are 3 zones listed under Singapore, which means there are 3 data centers in Singapore connected by backbone network. Besides, a zone is a physical area with independent power grids and networks in a region. The network latency for access between instances within the same zone is shorter. They selected Zone 1 to host all their infrastructure, which includes their web tier, app tier, and data tiers. When S5 Enterprise want to enable high availability, they can host their servers in more than one zone. For e.g. web servers in Zone 1 and Zone 2 and app servers in Zone 2 and Zone 3 and data servers in Zone 1 and Zone 3. If customers try to access the web application from other regions or countries, to load the web application at high speeds, the static content imported onto edge nodes or network nodes where copies of static images are stored in network nodes to improve performance of the application. We will explain these topics in detail when we discuss CDN in coming videos.